Business permit renewal in the Philippines. Basically, when you register your business in the Philippines, the following require annual renewal. Barangay clearance, business permit, and BIR registration. Next thing to consider is the deadline of the renewal. The deadline to renew the barangay and business permit is January 20th. Note, however, that the local government has the authority to change or extend this date, while the BIR registration renewal deadline is January 31st. So, what are the requirements for business permit renewal? For barangay clearance, you need to bring your previous year barangay clearance, as well as your previous year official receipt. For business permit, you need to comply the following requirements: accomplished renewal form, barangay clearance, previous business permit, original and photocopy, previous official receipt, original and photocopy, community tax certificate cedula, previous year's income statement, and contract of lease or land title. For BIR registration, you need to fill out BIR Form 0605 or the payment form. The next big question would be, what are the consequences of late or non-renewal? Well, failure to renew your permits will result to a 25% surcharge on any unpaid taxes, fees and charges, and a 2% monthly interest on anything left unsettled until your business pays your obligations, including the surcharge. On the other hand, continuing to operate without valid permits for an extended period of time is a serious violation. In such cases, the LGU has the authority to stop the operation of your business activities until you settle any outstanding obligations. To avoid penalties on your renewal and for a smooth flow of your transaction, please renew on or before the deadline, or kindly visit the Treasury Office or the Business Permit and Licensing Office for more information. For you to get notified, please click the like and share button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.